Today I'm very excited to be unboxing, styling and reviewing the new pair of shoes from Aimé Leon Dore, New Balance 550. I was lucky enough to win this pair on ALD's website, so I'm super happy about that. So let's jump right into it. Here's the shoebox in the cream, almost light yellow color, featuring the print of the shoes on the side. I got these in a size 9.5, which is my true to size, in the colorway neutral gray. So let's open these up. So first of all, it comes with a gray pair of shoelaces and a cream pair of shoelaces. Here's how they look like inside of the box. So right off the bat, these look incredible. They're actually a bit heavier than what I expected. And as you guys know, they came in 4 colorways. And this is actually the colorway that I wanted the most out of the 4. Generally because it's easier, more versatile. It's easier to style with all kinds of different colors. So let's bring out the other pair as well. Here they are. Both of them. What I also noticed right off is that it features both of the brandings on the back side of the shoes. One for Aimé Leon Dore and one for New Balance. Let's throw these bad boys on, style them, and get a feel of it. For my first outfit, I'm wearing a hoodie from Acne Studios and a pair of trousers from COS. The hoodie in jet black, having no waist drawstrings, allows it to hang and flow effortlessly, which gives the whole look an even more relaxed touch. And the straight cut trousers from COS in the color gray sits nicely over the shoes. I think the overall proportions here is well balanced. Also, the color combination is quite safe, which makes it very appropriate as a go-to throw-on daily outfit. For my second outfit, I'm wearing the incredible cashmere crewneck from Bare Knuckles and also another pair of trousers from COS. The styling and color blocking with this outfit is, in my opinion, more playful. The color orange and beige complements each other well and are very appropriate for autumn. For my third and last outfit, I'm wearing the Yeezy Season 3 Fleece Pullover paired with a pair of Issey Miyake Homme Plissé Pleats. What would make this black outfit interesting is the texture and the materials with each individual piece. Moreover, the way the pieces just flows on the body. When it comes to styling the shoes, with its chunky silhouette, I believe the best approach here is to go for a baggier, more relaxed fit so it would suit better proportion-wise. In addition, the importance when styling the shoes is finding the correct pair of pants that would sit nicely over the shoes and tie the whole outfit together. I believe this would make or break an outfit. You can wear these in so many ways. For example, this is how ALD styled it for their campaign. A more luxe, a leisure approach, which also works incredibly well. But personally, this is how I would style them. Let's move on to reviewing the shoes. The details and execution is incredible. Majority of the shoes consist of full grain leather overlays and mesh underlays. I love how they used mesh at certain parts, which gives it a nice texture. Also, it has a rubber sole, and the various materials blocking on the sole creates this interesting edge and really brings the whole design together to present a silhouette that is very 80s or 90s. The amount of double stitching that goes across the whole shoe is amazing, really brings out the details of the shoes, which I really love. Lastly, the shoes also features custom Aimé Leon Dore branded tongue, co-branded insert, and crackle and logo. In terms of sizing, I'm a true to size 9.5 US, and these fits true to size. In terms of comfort, the shoes features an ultralight inner sole, and the pads inside makes these very comfortable. I can imagine myself walking in these all day long without any problem. This is probably the most comfortable shoes I've ever owned. There you have it, guys. It's amazing that according to Teddy Santi's Instagram, they revived this particular model from 1989, which was only sold once through New Balance. And I think that these are an instant classic. It is perfect for the ongoing current fashion trends, but I also believe that these will stand the test of time with this particular silhouette. I hope that you guys found this video entertaining and helpful. Thank you for taking the time. Also check out my Instagram if you have time. Appreciate it always. Peace.